Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It is Valentine's Day, so I thought I would share my Valentine's Day makeup. Hi puppy. Hi. So yeah, Greg and I are going out tonight and I hope you enjoy this video. I was so excited at work all day because we're going on a date in the middle of the week. Sometimes we do go out to dinner during the middle of the week, but it's not like a date. Date night is Friday and Saturday where we get all dressed up. So I was so excited today to get all dressed up on a Wednesday and go out to dinner. So I'm gonna walk you through how I'm doing my makeup tonight, and then I will show you my whole look. So I did put on some primer already. What did I use? I used the Professional primer, the tinted one, for tonight. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take Born This Way foundation in the color Snow and put it on my beauty blender and just go all over my face with this. So while I'm doing this, I just want to make sure my foundation is nice and even and really give it that flawless look.
Hey buddy.
Hi Greg.
Hey baby.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm doing a video.
Oh.
For tonight, for our date.
You're doing a video for a date?
Well, yeah.
Are you on right now?
Yeah.
Has Arthur been quiet?
Yeah, he's been such a good boy.
And I made him all mad?
No, he's excited to see you.
Yeah. Hey, cool it, toots.
He wants cuddles.
Huh?
I said he wants some cuddles.
Yeah. Did you see my new Xbox?
Yes.
Was it on when you got home?
It wasn't on. It was just a little bit on. Okay, so what I am going to do next is I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I recently bought this. Heard it was amazing, and it really is. I have the shade Fair, and I'm just going to go under my eyes and along my jawline with it. I'm going to do a full contour tonight. I also highlight the chin and the forehead. So here I am just highlighting my jawline and pulling the highlight look together. I don't know why, but I always think this looks like strangely pretty. Now I'm just going to take the small side of my beauty blender and blend this in. So while you're doing this, you really want to make sure and smooth out under the eye and all around your highlight so that it looks seamless. Okay, I'm going to set the concealer in a minute, but first I do want to do my cheeks and jawline when it comes to the contour. I'm actually using this Wet n Wild contour stick. This is the darker end. I'm using the light medium shade, and it also has a concealer too, or a white shade for that highlighting portion, but I would rather use the Shape Tape concealer. So I'm just going to, kind of like how I do the powder, suck my cheek in and contour. For cream contour, you really do need a good, well-packed blending brush. I'm using my Coastal Scents 3. You can see the bristles are tightly packed, so blending that into the skin is going to be a lot easier. And here, circular motions are going to be key to getting your contour to blend seamlessly. You want to make sure to go under your chin and on your cheeks and just really use that brush to blend your product into your skin. I'm so used to using a powder contour that I really like how that just blended in so pretty. My RCMA setting powder, again, amazing setting powder, 12 bucks. This thing has a ton of product. You cannot go wrong. Order it off Amazon. You'll love it. And I'm just gonna go back over my under eye right now so that there's no crease before I set it. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to prime with my Smashbox primer tonight, and I'm going for a pinky reddish look. I don't know. In my head it looks good. I'm just smoothing the primer onto my eye as well. I feel like the key is smooth, smooth, smooth. Greg, could you open this for me? I don't want to ruin my nails. It's like the long way. You see it? It says like new in pink. Look how pretty my flowers are.
Yeah, who got those for you? Some secret admirer?
My husband.
/ secret admirer.
You're my secret admirer. Aww. These Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes, really packaged.
It's funny because I keep peeling it off, but I keep like, it's just coming off in little pieces all the time. There we go. Got it.
Woo! Thank you. Okay, maybe if I show you the color that was the inspiration, you'll understand what I'm trying to say about how I want to do my eyeshadow tonight. This is the color, that's the inspiration. I thought it was pretty and bright, and everything goes with light pink. Okay, so this is the palette that I'm using is Wet n Wild. The palette's name is Rose All Day, which is kind of cute for Valentine's Day. And I am going to use this light shade as my base color. I'm using Coastal Scents brush number 12 for this. And here you just want to go all over your eyelid with a nice cool color. Okay, and next I'm going to take the transition shade in this palette. It actually says transition, which I think is awesome. And I'm using my crease brush from my Naked palette because I'm just used to it and I love it. And yeah, I don't really want to switch. And while you're doing the crease, just use a mini circular motion to really get your shadow to blend. Next I'm going in with the fun color that I wanted to wear, and I might just do the crease and leave it at that, especially if it's really bright, and I'm just going to blend it out. And I have a matching lipstick too. Wow. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see this. I'm using circular motions here as well to really blend this darker, brighter shade. Okay, so what I ended up doing is I didn't like how the contrast of the lid and the crease, so I actually took this lighter purple shade and I went on the lid with this, and I like it a lot better. the false lashes will really pull this all together too. So I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Okay, eyeshadow is done. I really like it. It's a little bit different than what I usually wear, and I'm excited for how this whole look is going to look with the fake eyelashes I have picked out for tonight. I'm going to do this after I just put on my powder. And I used the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation in Light 45. I will be back in a minute after I do my eyelashes. Okay, lashes are on. I am going to do my lipstick. If I don't like it, I will wipe it off and do something else. But hopefully I like it. Okay, the color I am using is Sugar Plum Fairy. And it matches the eyeshadow. And sometimes, ooh, that's a little dark. I'm gonna put a lip gloss and try and blend it in. Okay, I like that a lot. It's like the color I wanted. This lip gloss is amazing. It is Revlon, and what color is this? It's really sky pink. I put it over everything. It's awesome. Okay, finally I'm going to put on a little blush. I'm using MAC Blush Baby, and then I'm going to put on my outfit and show you my whole look for tonight. Okay, and that final step now is just contouring my nose. I'm going to go back with the Wet n Wild contour stick. Go under, go down the sides. And then I'm going to blend it with my finger. Okay, so this makeup look was definitely a little bit different than what I usually do, especially with like the bright eyeshadow and everything. Arthur's ready to play. But yeah, I actually really like how it turned out. It's fun, it's festive, and I would probably wear this again for a date. And I'm gonna get dressed now and go get the little puppy. Okay, and here is my outfit for tonight. I actually like my makeup a lot more now that I have my dress on. I love the little ruffly sleeves. And yeah, we're ready for our date. Okay, and here's Greg's cute Valentine's Day outfit. You look so handsome.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I really tried. I picked this out all on my own.
You did such a good job. Okay, so I hoped you enjoyed my get ready with me. Hey, that's my blankie. That's not your pom-pom. I hope you enjoyed my get ready with me for date night Valentine's Day. We are headed off to dinner and to have some fun and just to celebrate love. We hope that you guys all had an amazing Valentine's Day too. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Say bye, Arthur.